Hello, my name is Fawad. This is the code for the clock along with the watch timer stopwatch. So this is the design view. There is an axis, there are some few push button, and there is an edit field display. This is the code view. All the parameters have been defined over here. If I run this code, you will see such type of an output, and you can see when I click the clock, so the current time in my laptop is 8:08, so the time display is the time of the PC. So this is second, minute, and hours, and there is a timer over here. You can see there is an edit field, and you can start this stopwatch by pressing the start button. You can pause it. You can again, after pause, you can again start from the same position. You can again pause it. You can start it again, and you can stop it. Now it has been stopped. And if you want to reset, you will have to click the stop button again. Now the time value is 0. So this is the app which I have sent you, and I am going to send you this video so you may understand it properly. Thank you.